Super day out there, and we've only just begun in our quest to warm to near summer-like levels by the end of the week. Taking a look at those temperatures today, and this says so far today, but we have indeed hit those high temperatures. They're starting to drop across the board right now. 62 here in Providence, 64 up in Smithfield, and it really wasn't all that bad down in Newport. We did get to 57 with the sunshine, a little bit of wind. It still felt pretty nice out there, and you can see again, away from the water, the very common theme this year, you're going to warm up probably 5 to 7 degrees, maybe even 5 to 10 degrees warmer. There you can see the winds. Okay, a little bit of a breeze, 10, 15 miles an hour. Nothing too stagnant, but winds get a little lighter as you get away from the water, and that really makes it feel good. Even the chilly mornings this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday daytimes, were pretty good out there, and the full sunshine helps. Not a cloud in sight as we head through the overnight period, and that'll help us fall back to some chilly levels by tomorrow morning. Want to show you these winds here. Again, we talked red flag, possible warning tomorrow. Right now, it is a fire weather watch. We'll see if that gets upgraded over the next 12 hours or so. But you can see those arrows coming out of the southwest tomorrow. So that is the reason for the warmer temperatures, the direction of the wind flow. But the numbers here, 15 to near 20 miles an hour. You combine that with the dry air and the exceptional amount of sunshine that we'll have and the warm air in place, and that contributes to a fire weather risk. Here's your pattern shift. So we had that chilly air as the jet stream dipped over the weekend. Now it surges to the north. The high pressure is going to start dropping to the south. As it does, it kicks that southwest wind in, and that really warms things up away from the water. Temper your expectations if you're right at the water. It is going to be significantly cool. You're not going to see any 80-degree readings, and some of us could even struggle to get to 70-degree readings. But here in Providence, our forecast for Friday, 85 degrees, and that would break a record that was set in 1945, 83 degrees back then. We also, whenever we're talking about this unseasonably warm weather, especially this time of year, you got to talk about those allergies, and pass the Benadryl, please. Look at this. Through the roof, extreme pollen levels, tree pollen, of course, juniper, alder, and poplar going to be your primary allergens this week. Look at the temperatures again. We tracked down overnight, not any clouds to keep the heating of the day in, so we're waking up tomorrow in the upper 30s, low 40s. Nice jumping off point, though, with the, again, mostly sunny skies expected tomorrow. Should be into the low 70s away from the water. Here come the clouds coming in. Wednesday, probably the most clouds we see during the work week, and that could shave a degree or two off of our high temperatures on Wednesday, but it's still a pretty nice day out there. Now, a lot of folks saying, all right, stop right there. Let's keep those temperatures in the 70s, but nope, we keep heading upwards as we head towards the end of the week. Here's your forecast for Rhode Island. Tomorrow, 72 degrees. Pawtucket, Johnston, up towards Burrillville. Warwick, 72. Tiverton, a little cooler there, 66. Newport, 62. That's what you'll get at the Cape. That's what you'll get from Martha's Vineyard and Newport as well. Look at Attleboro tomorrow and Foxborough, 74 degrees. Taunton, 73. Fall River, 74 degrees. Thursday, we're up to the 80s, 81. We've kind of jumped our forecast to get to the 80s. It initially looked like it might not happen until Friday. Now it's happening on Thursday and Friday. Again, mid-80s, John and Tiffany. This is a summer preview, to say the least, and we will not. Oh, by the way, got to talk about the rain. It's going to come back at some point, but it's not here till the end of the weekend into next week. So
80s, couple of 80s on there.
What happened to spring, though?
I hear it every year. I really do. Especially this time of year, we get those up and downs, and then it just jumps. Like someone hit a switch, so.
Just for a couple of days, though.
Yeah, and you saw the temperatures fall over the weekend. Obviously, the rain comes in, but we'll moderate. It looks like, I always like looking ahead. Next week, temperatures should be a little bit more even keeled. So,
all right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeff.